In order to make a delicious loaf of sourdough bread, you're going to need bubbly, active sourdough starter. Then add 350 grams of water and mix it together. Now add 500 grams of flour and 10 grams of salt and mix together again until you form a shaggy dough that looks like this. Now you're going to let the dough sit until you're ready to form it up. After about an hour, you'll be ready to form the dough up, which basically means taking it from a shaggy dough to something with a little more cohesiveness. Now it's time to do 4 sets of stretch and folds. These will be done in around 30-minute intervals over a couple of hours. During this time, the dough will strengthen and become more elastic and less sticky. You can see the change in my dough from the first set of stretch and folds until now, when it's ready for bulk fermentation. Alright, so our bulk fermentation has finished. I just want to show you how we know that has finished. So you can see that the dough is quite jiggly, and you can see that it has started to form a dome. It's obviously doubled as well in the bowl. All right, and it is pulling away from the side of the bowl really easy. You can see there it's not leaving any residue at all. And I can touch that without it sticking. So when I flip it out, it is going to be really easy. Just gonna start it off. And you can see that it has left a clean bowl. And that's a really good sign that bulk fermentation has done its job. And tuck the ends in. Once you've shaped your dough, pop it into your banneton, making sure that you use plenty of rice flour or semolina flour to ensure that it doesn't stick. Then pop it into the fridge. I like to cold ferment mine overnight. Once your dough has fermented overnight in the fridge, it's time to bake. So you'll need to preheat the oven. While the oven is preheating, you can get it ready. So take it out of the fridge and score your dough. And then you'll need to pop it in the oven with the lid on for around 30 minutes at 230 degrees Celsius or 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you'll need to take the lid off for the last 10 to 15 minutes and lower the temperature to 210 degrees Celsius or 410 degrees Fahrenheit. Now your bread is ready. Just let it cool for at least 2 hours before slicing and enjoying.